What if the next smartwatch you buy could actually change the way you train, recover, and explore the outdoors? Not just track your steps, not just count your calories, but truly understand your body and guide you like a personal coach on your wrist. The Garmin Fenix 9 is dropping much sooner than most people expected, and a massive new leak suggests this could be Garmin's biggest outdoor upgrade in years. If you're thinking about buying the Fenix 8 right now, you might want to pause for a moment, because what is coming next could completely raise the bar. After months of silence and endless speculation inside fitness communities, strong evidence has finally surfaced. A recent APK teardown of the Garmin Connect Android app revealed a hidden reference to an unreleased device called the Enduro 4. That might sound small, but longtime Garmin users immediately understood the meaning. Garmin has a clear pattern. When a new Enduro watch appears, a new Fenix model usually launches alongside it. The Enduro 3 arrived next to the Fenix 8. Earlier generations followed the same strategy. If history repeats itself, the Enduro 4 and the Fenix 9 will likely share the same launch window. And there is more. Garmin executives have already hinted that the second half of 2026 will be a major period for their outdoor division. When you combine those official hints with the software leak, the timeline becomes hard to ignore. Everything points toward a major release before the end of the year. This does not look like a small refresh with tiny improvements. If even half of the industry rumors are accurate, the Fenix 9 could be one of the most ambitious upgrades Garmin has ever attempted. Garmin did not become the leader in outdoor smartwatches by chasing flashy apps. They focused on what serious athletes actually need: durability, long battery life, accurate GPS, reliable health tracking. That strategy turned the Fenix series into the go-to choice for hikers, climbers, cyclists, triathletes, and ultramarathon runners around the world. And now expectations for the next generation are higher than ever. One of the biggest rumored upgrades is in health and recovery tracking. Garmin already offers features like body battery and training readiness. These tools help users understand overall energy levels and recovery status. They are useful, but now Garmin appears ready to go much deeper. Industry observers recently noticed Garmin trademarking a new term called muscle battery. Garmin has not officially explained it yet, but analysts believe this could become the headline feature of the Fenix 9. Instead of giving you one general energy score for your entire body, muscle battery could estimate fatigue in specific muscle groups. Imagine finishing a heavy leg workout or completing a long mountain trail run. Instead of only seeing elevated heart rate data, the watch might tell you that your quadriceps are highly fatigued and need extra recovery time. At the same time, it could show that your upper body is fully recovered and ready to train. For athletes who balance strength training, cardio, and endurance work, this level of insight could completely change how weekly workouts are planned. Many leaks connect this feature to Garmin's upcoming Elevate Gen 6 optical sensor. If the reports are true, the Fenix 9 could introduce wrist-based muscle oxygen monitoring, also known as SMO2 tracking. Right now, tracking localized muscle oxygen usually requires expensive professional equipment. It is mostly used by elite athletes and researchers. Bringing that capability into a consumer smartwatch would be a huge shift. It would not just be another feature. It could redefine what we expect from wearables. Navigation is another area where Garmin already dominates, and yet improvements are still coming. Current Fenix models offer some of the most accurate GPS performance in the smartwatch world. They perform well under tree cover and even in dense city environments. But leaks suggest Garmin is developing a more advanced tri-band GNSS system. Some reports even mention accuracy close to 50 centimeters under ideal conditions. That level of precision would mean cleaner maps, more accurate pace data, and better route tracking in challenging environments. For hikers in alpine regions, mountain bikers on technical trails, or explorers in remote areas, that extra precision could make a real difference. Satellite communication may also become a key feature. In recent years, premium devices have started offering emergency satellite services. Garmin already has experience in satellite technology through its inReach products. Now rumors suggest the Fenix 9 could include expanded off-grid communication features. Users might be able to send status updates, contact family members, or even reach emergency responders without cellular coverage. For adventurers who travel far from cities, this is not just convenient, it is potentially life-saving. Display technology could be one of the most exciting upgrades of all. For years, Garmin users had to choose between AMOLED models with bright, vibrant screens and solar models with longer battery life. AMOLED looks beautiful but consumes more power. Solar models last longer but sacrifice color richness. Supply chain reports now suggest Garmin may introduce a hybrid display system. This could combine a high-resolution AMOLED panel with a transparent solar charging layer. If Garmin succeeds, users would finally get both beauty and endurance in one device. Bright colors, smooth animations, and extended battery life during long outdoor sessions. To power all of this, Garmin is expected to introduce a much faster processor. That means topographic maps could load almost instantly, zooming and scrolling would feel smoother, route calculations would finish faster, the overall experience could feel more modern and fluid. Artificial intelligence is also expected to play a larger role. Instead of just collecting data, the watch could actively guide you. Training suggestions might adapt based on sleep quality, muscle fatigue, weather conditions, and your race calendar. The watch would not only measure your performance, it would help you improve it. In my opinion, if Garmin truly delivers even 70% of what these leaks suggest, the Fenix 9 could become the most complete outdoor smartwatch ever built. It would not just be an upgrade, it would be a serious leap forward. But of course, all of this will likely come at a premium price. Early expectations suggest pricing near $1,000 with titanium and sapphire versions going even higher. That is expensive. But Garmin has never aimed the Fenix at casual users. This watch is built for people who demand the best tools for serious training and adventure. The big question remains simple. Should you wait for the Fenix 9 or buy the Fenix 8 today? If you already own an older model and can afford to wait a few months, holding off might be the smarter move. The upcoming features sound too significant to ignore, but if you need a powerful outdoor watch right now, the Fenix 8 is still one of the best options on the market today. The decision depends on your timing, your budget, and how badly you want the latest innovation on your wrist. Whatever you choose, this next launch is shaping up to be one of the most exciting moments in Garmin's history. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like that.